Have you seen Lucid Motors Saudi Arabia factory? It's going online very soon. Lucid's Saudi Arabia factory is going online next month. First deliveries of Lucid electric vehicles are set to take place before the end of 2023. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Lucid is about to join the league of American automakers with factories abroad, as its Saudi Arabian production center will go live next month. This is a breath of fresh air for the electric vehicle startup Lucid Motors, beset by a price war with Tesla for the better part of 2023. Maal, an Arabic publication, gave the latest update on Lucid Motors AMP-2 factory in King Abdullah Economic City. It's called KAEC in Jeddah. So Lucid Motors plant to build electric vehicles in Saudi Arabia is in Jeddah. The facility is scheduled for its first production in September 2023, a month away from now. The plant will receive all the parts of the Lucid Air from the AMP-1 Arizona plant and assemble the cars, with the first deliveries for the Saudi Arabian government set to take place before the end of this year. In Tesla, we call them gigafactories. In Lucid Motors, they're called AMP-1, which is in Arizona, and the second one is AMP-2. To be honest, I don't know what AMP stands for. I have to look into that, and if I do, I will let you know. But if I can do a quick search, I don't know if I can do that quickly, but if you guys know what AMP stands for, let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let's move on with our Lucid story. And Lucid targets an annual run rate of 150,000 units by 2026. 150,000 electric luxury cars by 2026. To help along, Saudi Arabia has prepared an incentive package worth about $3 billion for this plant. The kingdom is going further by agreeing to purchase 100,000 electric vehicles from the company in 10 years. Saudi Arabia is a major investor in Lucid. Wow, $100,000 looks like guaranteed sales for Lucid. Lucid reported a disappointing Q3 2023 results with 2,173 electric vehicles produced in Arizona while delivering 1,440 units from April to June. The company initially targeted to build 14,000 units for 2023 from their production facility in Casa Grande, Arizona, but slashed it to 10,000 electric vehicles. It is also struggling to drum up interest in its luxury electric vehicles, leading to expanding inventory levels. One of the measures taken by Lucid Motors to move more electric vehicles is slashing prices to remain competitive. And that's why I said that they're kind of in a war with Tesla. So we'll see how things go, friends. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to the channel. By the way, I just learned what AMP stands for. AMP, which is the Lucid's factory, stands for Advanced Manufacturing Plant. So Lucid's first advanced manufacturing plant, AMP-1, is in Arizona, and second one is in Jeddah, which is going online next month. And if you would like to support our channel, guys, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you, and have a great day. You may be able to buy a Tesla Model 3 under $20,000 in the US state of Colorado. This is thanks to Colorado's generous incentives that are in place to encourage to purchase electric vehicles, and I'm about to tell you how to do that. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and give us super thanks. We would greatly appreciate, guys, if you have benefited from this channel, because ad revenues have fallen on YouTube so much. Anyway, Tesla Model 3 could get a purchase price below $20,000 in Colorado, US state. The state has generous incentives in place to encourage the purchase of electric vehicles to meet Colorado's transportation electrification goals. The US has stepped up its efforts to promote the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Eligible electric vehicles can receive federal credits, state credits, and other credits that may lower their starting price to make them very affordable to purchase. Tesla cars are among those that receive various credits, mainly due to the fact that they are the most American-made on the market. Price parity between electric vehicles and internal combustion engine gas cars has always been an important goal. In recent months, thanks to Tesla's price cuts and purchase incentives, its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles have achieved this in the United States and several other countries around the world. However, now buying Tesla cars is becoming an even better deal thanks to incentives launched in some US states. CPR News shared a list of incentives that electric vehicle buyers in Colorado can receive. It is quite extensive and offers the opportunity to get $26,500 when buying an electric vehicle. It should be kept in mind that it will be difficult to meet absolutely all the requirements for all existing benefits. However, getting the most likely ones will still result in a saving of $20,000. By the way, before I go any further, do you know your state's electric vehicle purchase incentives? If yes, please write them in the comment section below. It will be interesting for us to see what states offer what type of benefits. With that in mind, the Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive price could drop to an impressive $13,740 from its $40,240 starting price. Imagine buying Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive for $13,740. However, like I said, not all credits can be accumulated, as Elon Musk pointed out. In particular, Xcel Energy rebates, $5,500, cannot be combined with other credits. However, Colorado regulators are currently reviewing a plan that would allow for a max of government credits and Xcel incentives, the state incentives. While Xcel credit cannot be added, eligible customers who want to buy an electric vehicle or Tesla Model 3 can still receive a whopping $21,000 discount on the new Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. This means that the starting price of Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive electric vehicle will be $19,240. Again, $19,240 for brand new Tesla Model 3 in the state of Colorado. How do you like that? Let me know your thoughts, friends, in the comment section below, and tell me about your state credits in your state and where you live or dwell. And this is Arben Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please support our channel by sending us super thanks if you have benefited from this channel, and I'll be able to continue doing this for bringing you the latest Tesla news in video format. God bless you. See you soon in our next report, and have a great day.